Hello, trading is closed on June the 1st, 2016. We had some calls yesterday. The only really official call I made was that we should have a sizable drop, and that happened at the open. I said a high percentage of the time we would have a gap under these lows, which we did. I said should that happen, I thought this failed target would print, which it did. I said typically under the target there'd be support, but I didn't think it would hold, and that was clearly wrong. We'll come back to that later. We had a few ultimate sell signals during the day. In the afternoon, an ultimate sell signal gave us a target. We dropped to some MEJT support level from yesterday's pattern. That's what these lines are, support levels. System said it was a false move, that we would recover. Said this move is false, that we'd hit this line after this time, which we did. The morning ultimate sell hasn't been satisfied. It gives us a target of 2089.55. There's no specific time limit, but normally you don't have to wait long. Well, why didn't we continue dropping from here? We have a new high, a straight line move down with a gap under the lows of the consolidation. That's a pretty strong sell signal unless it's reversed immediately, which it was. I think what happened is that we had the standard pattern where you have a wall, a hole in the wall gap. You fill the hole, go over the top of the wall, and find resistance. It's not good that we have an ultimate target, even though it doesn't have to print tomorrow. Frequently it will. It's not good that we rallied all day long and couldn't close over the middle of the day high and couldn't even close over this low. But it is good that we had plenty of time to sell off after we topped this high here, and we didn't. I would have a lot more confidence in the call for a drop from here if we hadn't piddled around here, even though it didn't really accomplish anything. If the scenario I'm looking for plays out, we really shouldn't trade too much over these highs, and frankly we should drop pretty much from the open. If we gap over these highs tomorrow, the negative implications of today's trade go away, and then something else is going on. So I'm hoping to see a drop right from the open tomorrow. It doesn't mean it has to be a big drop tomorrow, because what this could be is a large diamond on stilts. Here's your stilt. This could be the middle of the diamond. If it is a diamond on stilts, we could piddle around a few more days, but certainly this high, and particularly this high, should hold. So I think tomorrow's opening should be interesting. I'm looking for recent highs to hold. I'm looking for 2089.55 at some time, and if I'm correct, we should drop right from the open, but if I'm wrong, then something is really wrong, and we're going to have to reassess the whole scenario. And that's today's call.